welcome back to my channel. Back at it again with another one.
They want to feel my robo, 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 scare, 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 robo. Say they want my combo. Say they want to feel my robo, 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 scare, scare.
Let me stop. This is my first video, guys. Thank you for stopping by. So I just bought a newer ring light. Quarantine made me do it. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. I got the newer ring light, 18 inches. So I'm gonna basically just assemble it. We're gonna see if it's easy, if it's worth the price. Cause I spent about 100 and something. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, like, I've been home and unemployed, so it's like, why not? You know what I'm saying? I never thought I needed a ring light. Never thought I did, but I'm waiting for it to come in the mail, and we're gonna do the unboxing. I'm gonna go check downstairs to see if the ring light made it, because the people in my building be opening packages, so we need to be alert at all times. Guess what? Guess what came in the mail? Guess what came in the mail? It's really big. My mom's asleep. I'm trying to be quiet. This is ASMR. Very hot. This hair is driving me crazy. Alright, so it's another box. I should make this a thumbnail. Nothing else in the box. So I got this from the dollar store, y'all. Isn't it cute? I think it goes with me. Yeah, it smells right. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. This long. Like, look at this. Look at this. This hair's long. I wish I looked cute for y'all. Look cute for y'all. Not even myself. Alright, so let's go back. Ooh, sorry. No, it's gonna fall out. So this just fell out. Nothing else in the box. Okay, this and this. I'm assuming this is the bottom piece. And something goes down there. Right? I think. Wait, is that the bottom or the top? What? Okay. So these two pieces aren't related. I don't think so. Okay, we're gonna open up what's in the bag. See what's in here. So we have this one, that definitely gets connected to, where does this go? I really don't know where this goes.
I'm just make that mommy sleeping.
I know, I told her, is she okay? She said, yeah, she's fine. All right. It has this power box. I don't know how to set this up. The white part. I don't know yet, but. Alright, so what we're gonna do is look at the instructions because I don't know what I'm doing. So let's start. This is too much. Like, why they gotta put all this? Okay. I don't know which piece goes where. This is so hard. I thought this would be easy. This is different.
Right there. The left
This is the bottom.
No, that's the top. So
No, this has to be, look, that's the foot.
no.
So you have this piece. It's actually not upside down because I thought it was upside down. But apparently, you have to untwist this. People need this video because this is ridiculous. Alright, and then we're going to turn this piece because we need to lock it. So far, we have it looking like this. Alright, so let's get to the fun part. Alright, so now we're going to connect this piece to this piece. And you have to untwist it because it has a little rod in the inside. So definitely like untwist it first because that's not what I did, but yeah. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit so I can see. Use the little twisty things, cause. All right. Okay. We had to take a break, y'all. It's too hot. Okay, let me see. So I got the first piece in. I didn't struggle at all. It was actually pretty easy. Like, piece of cake. Clicking sound. Okay, like that. And we're gonna basically connect this to that. Alright, so now it's tight. And you can also like bend. It also bends, but I have to tighten this part. Alright, so we're almost set. So far, this is how we're looking. Oh yes, mama, I made it. Mama, I made it. My mama ain't raised no punk. You know what I'm saying? All right, what is this? Oh, this is the part for the phone. I almost forgot. So there's this little piece I almost forgot. Really quick. Let me actually just bring up the camera. So like, see this piece? And you see this area right here? You literally just slide it onto it like that. I'm tightening it. So this is, whoo, this almost slapped me in the head. All right, we need to get this to stay. And my phone is gonna go right over here. Let's connect the power. Drum roll, please. A little louder. Oh my, y'all, wait a minute. Y'all can see my flaws. Let me scoot this back a little bit. Now y'all can see my, back at it again with another video. You know what I'm saying? All right, hold on. It's too bright. It's too bright. All right, that's more like it. So make it as bright as possible. Sheesh, y'all. Also, let's try the orange light and see the difference in like the color. Give me a second. Okay, so this is the orange light. I don't know what you call this thing, but we're gonna put this on. I'm gonna take off the ones that's already there. These things. They're easy to come off. Let me turn the brightness a little low. Ooh. See the difference. Alright, so this one is a little more like, I like this. It's not too bright, you know. It's like giving you like a nice little warm color. Go ahead and brighten. Ooh, again, the glasses. I'm not losing my eyesight for this. Alright, so that's the brightest it can go. I would say I like this color better because it's not too bright. And kind of complements my skin tone, doesn't it? So there you go. There you have it. Last thing is the remote that's included. You okay, Mom? Shadi almost tripped. But anyways, so we have this remote that is included, and it's like a Bluetooth. So it says iOS and it says Android. So if you have an iOS iPhone, you can connect this to your Bluetooth. So to turn it on, it's this little switch thing, and the light's kind of like this little blue light that starts blinking. And basically, you connect. I think that's straightforward. Y'all need my help for that, do you? Thank you for tuning into my video. Come back again for the next one.